Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make French toast for weight loss. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of whole wheat bread, which offers more fiber than white bread. For the batter, use 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk and 2 egg whites, or 1/4 cup of liquid egg substitute. A dash of vanilla extract and a pinch of cinnamon will add great flavor without extra calories. This simple swap makes a big difference. Now let's prepare the batter. In a shallow dish, whisk together your 2 egg whites, 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk, a dash of vanilla, and a pinch of cinnamon until well combined. Next, take each slice of whole wheat bread and dip it into the mixture. Make sure both sides are evenly coated, but don't let the bread sit in the liquid for too long. A quick dip on each side is perfect to avoid a soggy result. Time to cook your delicious, healthy French toast. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. You can use a light spray of cooking oil if needed. Place your soaked bread slices on the hot surface and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are golden brown and cooked through. Serve immediately with fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries for natural sweetness. A very light drizzle of pure maple syrup is also a great option. To maximize your weight loss efforts, consider pairing your French toast with a lean protein source, such as a small serving of plain Greek yogurt. This helps keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. Remember, portion control is key, so stick to 1 or 2 slices. For more great tips on improving your life, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other deals you might enjoy. Enjoy your healthy and delicious French toast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.